We are reinventing the guitar. From the makers of Populele, the first smart ukulele that inspired thousands of people to learn the ukulele, this is Poputar, the most intuitive and fun way to learn to play the guitar in 5 minutes. Poputar is the world's first smart guitar and interactive teaching experience. With a fingerboard that lights up to guide you through each note so you can visualize the music. The PopuMusic App seamlessly connects with the guitar and guides you, listens to you, and corrects you as you play. Start by choosing a song from the Poputar song library. The notes will light up on your Poputar fingerboard. Follow the lights to know where to place your fingers next. Play along with the game, playing a song at the same time. Win points and level up. Tune your guitar interactively with the Poputar app. Learn to play from scratch with interactive video tutorials. We looked at the traditional acoustic guitar and transformed it into a smart, independent music learning system. Guitar playing becomes popular with Poputar. Just play along with the lights. No need to know how to read guitar tabs or sheet music. When you play a note, the sound is picked up by the Poputar app. It instantly evaluates whether or not you've played correctly. You can learn at your own pace. Thousands of songs with the same simple chords. Amplify your sound through connecting pickups. Soon, you can start jamming with the Poputar in dazzling mode. Level up, and one day you might be up on that stage. Poputar has a lightweight, innovative, and portable design. You can learn anytime, anywhere. Take Poputar with you and play up to 10 hours a day. Poputar is a cross-industry combination of electronics and a classical acoustic guitar. We created Poputar in partnership with Kepma, which adopts the world's top guitar standards for high automation equipment and meticulous production processes. Poputar is crafted with mahogany and spruce wood, pre-stored in controlled temperatures and humidity. Our custom-designed simulators vibrate the Poputar at a prescribed range of frequencies to bring out the tone of the guitar's natural wood. Pressure testing helps us determine the strength, resilience, and even predict the tonal balance and response of our solid-top guitars. At Poputar, we are so excited to share with you the fun of playing a game brought to life in a musical instrument. Support us and play the guitar like you never believed you could with Poputar.